I got real brave and decided to print 3 of my limit switch holders, and I'm hoping they're good. I think they are. I beefed them up, gave them a lot more strength and substance and adjustments and blah blah blah. Simplified the screws and the mounting. I'm using all American Flyer screws now. I've adapted every screw hole and fitting for those, either smoke screws or chassis screws, pretty much is what I'm using. And I think these will be ready probably after dinner. I won't be able to do anything with them, but I'll have them. But they'll go over on the second engine that I'm putting together, and then I built the third so I could also do the Northern. So that's the second engine that's coming together, and this is the one I just showed in another video. But I thought it's coming out really, really nice. Yeah, it's gonna be very cool. It'll be even neater looking when I'm done. It'll be tidy, you know, all that. Okay, later, gang.